PSJ ISD is planning a $60 million bond election scheduled for the November 4th, 2025 ballot to fund upgrades and improvements across the district. The bond is divided into two propositions. Proposition A, $54.3 million will fund district-wide improvements, including HVAC system replacements at up to 12 campuses, 7 roofs, and 4 parking lots. Proposition B, $5.7 million will fund renovations of performing arts facilities such as the PSJ Auditorium Dome and other fine arts spaces. The last PSJ ISD bond, in 2010, funded renovations and facility upgrades totaling approximately $108 million. Since then, the district has paid down that debt, allowing this new bond to continue supporting facility needs. In Texas, the state does not provide direct funding for school construction or major renovations. Voter-approved bonds can only be used for facility improvements and cannot be spent on teacher salaries or classroom supplies. The district adopted a lower tax rate on September 22, 2025. Facility improvements funded by the bond will include HVAC repairs and replacements, roof and parking lot upgrades, and renovations to athletic and fine arts facilities to address aging infrastructures across the district. Projects will be prioritized based on needs, safety, and facility condition. Early voting is October 20th through the 31st. Election Day is Tuesday, November 4th. For more information and polling locations, visit psjisd.us/2025 bond.